You know, one thing I have learned, Bazalabam, about social media and when we are in a relationship, believe 10% of your heart or 30% of your heart should believe what they are saying about the man you are getting married to, especially if you are a woman. Believe, because not everyone in social media okhuluma ngendoda yakho isangamantombazana or indoda yakho yashela abantu unamanga, especially the side chicks abazophuma bathi he has been with me, he slept in my room, he slept what. Believe those allegations, guys. Believe those rumors, because 10% or 20% there is a chance what they are saying is true, guys. I remember a few years back, which is not 2 years back, last year, she got married last year, Yolanda. When she got married, Yolanda Gumbi, Ute Magashata, what Yolanda, people, they were busy saying, this man, we are Jola. Even the friends, they were saying, this man, we are Jola, this man, Utanda Mantomazan, this man, Ufunis Tembu, not Guti, Uindo, I remember even the baby mama came and said, we are still in a relationship with this guy, we are still much happy. So, that she was never told about them. We understand. There's nothing wrong with ushada nomuntu enengane, but there's something wrong if uzoshada nomuntu enengane angakutshelanga ngalezo ngane, ingane uzoziva sozoshada. You could see this person kusho ukuthi yakwazi ukuthi yini oyifuna yini engayifuna. So that means leyo muntu lo uyadecidela wena as a woman ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyomthanda ngenkani, because why would you not tell me about ingane zakho? And you know ukuthi eventually le ngane zizochamuka, because uyazondla le ngane, and now uyazi ngale ngane lezo. Obvious zizochamuka le ngane lezo. And mase zichamuka sesishadile, I have no chance, or chances of me leaving you, they are very slim, because I'm already married to you, so I have to accept lengane ngenkani. Kanti it's better mangitshela way before sishada sajona. Even talking stage ingane sifana ne-degree, guys. Uyisho talking stage ukuthi nginengane engaka ngiyidivorcing yini. It's part of life yakho, it's part of the things that you tell me on first and few days before si conclude ukuthi mina nawe what are we. You understand? So I don't understand why begenza kanje uYolanda. Futhi ngathi I do understand, because he wanted uYolanda ukuthi avume everything that he's saying to her. You understand? Uyazi ukuthi if ngithi kuYolanda nginengane one or in everything is perfect, uYolanda uzovuma. And I remember Yolanda, she was very young, fresh from high school, ukhule efamilini enothando. Usijwayele isithembu, she didn't have a problem ngethembu, because ukhule esithembini esi very healthy, ubaba yakhe unesithembu esi very healthy, and ubaba yakhe is very managed, so bakangayazi inhlupheko. Okunye ukuthi umuntu azokushada agcoka impahla ezi-expensive kanti ukuhlalisa apartment very cheap enganane furnish ephelele. And when we are thinking I'm building with this man because this man has been in a relationship, we are starting afresh. Kanti no, vele this man doesn't have finance to finance you, which was not a problem, I think, situation Yolanda. But when he started being physical, Yolanda, where Yolanda said, no, sir, I am kanjalo. When he started not sleeping at home, it's where Yolanda said, no. And when he started demanding things that Yolanda cannot do, uyazi ukuthi ushada uYolanda ubuye ekhayeni mhlambe line-chef, or she has never cooked empilweni yakhe, akakazi wawasha, mhlambe akawazi nomshini ukuthi uconnectwa kanjani. But umshada kanjalo mase ufika endlini ufuna ukuthi lo muntu ayiwasha ngezandla, umuntu ongakaze even athinte washing machine awasha. It was very wrong of this guy. So guys, 3 days back uYolanda uyenza ivideo wathi ucela impahla zakhe ezikamdletshe. UMdletshe akafuni ngento zakhe, and uMdletshe is not financially supporting umntwana ke izinto kuzobona umntwana. That means uMdletshe is the deadbeat father, which makes lezazinto bezikhuluma ubaby mama lo true, because ubaby mama bekasho ukuthi uMdletshe uyasogolisa makumele akhiphe isondlo sengane. We understand? So kuyenzwa na kuYolanda ke. uMdletshe watrenda ke uMdletshe watrenda uMdletshe. Now uYolanda is saying impahla sezibuyile. I love how uYolanda now udila nale situation ngendlela adila ngale situation, and I love how uYolanda went back to school, because I remember uYolanda makashada baba yakhe mathi uYolanda ufuna esikoleni. When I made a video ukuthi baba kaYolanda is so much right mathi uYolanda makayisikole, because education is very important. A lot of people, they said education is not for all of us. As much as education is not for all of us, but it's very important, guys. We cannot force vele umuntu esibonayo ukuthi isikole is not meant for them and bayahluleka esikoleni. But if when you are normal, you know ukuthi you can cope esikoleni, you can push, go to school. Ungavele ube housewife engafundanga, be a housewife efundile ukuthi should lo mshado uwe uwazi ukuthi have something to lean on. You understand? So uYolanda uthi impahla zakhe lezi bekaloku azifuna uMdletshe bangafuni ngazo, and apparently uMdletshe lapha endlini sekahlala nomunye umuntu. She doesn't understand ukuthi ungathi so uthandana nomunye umuntu, you move on, with your life. And we could all see ukuthi kusho ukuthi i-divorce yakho wena ayiku-stress, then ufake omunye umuntu endlini eney'mpahla zomunye umuntu. So mdletshe decided ukubring impahla very expensive, guys. Khona abo-Galaxy Boy lapha, abo-Gush, you know mos ukuthi abantwana basomkhanca bagcoka impahla expensive. So zithe mazibuya impahla ney'ncwadi, because kakhulu bekakhalela ama-textbooks wakhe ukuthi ufuna ukuya esikolweni, ufuna ukufunda. Zathi mazibuya impahla uYolanda uthi sekazishisa some of the items uyazithengisa-ke ozifunayo ngayo ukuzithenga, but I wouldn't advise anyone to buy those things because you know amadoda wesiZulu, amadoda esintu, you don't know ukuthi ufake mhlawumbe ufake intando lapho, ufake umuthi ukuthi into zakho zingahambi kahle. Nizawela amabhadi that way suppose ukuthi awela boYolanda in the name yokuthi nifuna ukugcoka expensive clothes. I wouldn't advise anyone to buy those things, but yena uyazithengisa. And I think uzothengisa very cheap because akasazifuni, and uthengisa nje indoda ukuthi you know what, I do not need these things but I wanted them because ezami mazibuye kimi zingahlali apartmentini yakho. But bazali bami, that is all for now. Please comment down below if you have something to say, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.